Hi, it's Lynette here. So today I'm going to be reviewing a product that is not makeup or skincare. I do these occasionally and I wanted to do them because it's a product that I've really enjoyed using. It's the Fabulosa laundry cleanser. Now, I only discovered that this was a thing during the pandemic when I accidentally bought a big massive tub of Fairy laundry cleanser thinking it was laundry detergent. So it isn't laundry detergent. What is it then? So you pop it in your conditioner drawer, or your softener drawer actually, fabric conditioner, fabric softener. So you put in 6 capfuls of this and it makes your washing smell amazing. So it says there's up to 20 washes in each bottle. It eliminates the bacteria that causes smells, and it's kind of pretty good for washes that you're washing as low as 20 degrees. Now, what does it say here? Kills 99.9% bacteria and viruses. Suitable for vegans, and it's cruelty free. So, yeah, so the viruses and bacteria that it kills are the ones that cause smells. Even at temperatures below 20, and it leaves your laundry smelling fresh. So I used to pick this up thinking that it was maybe quite good for kind of other viruses, but it does not state that on the label. It still makes your clothes smell lovely, and it's still kind of, it says you can use them for things like towels and bedding. However, I do wash that on a 60, but I'd still put some through to make sure it smelt nice. What does it tell you on the back? Yep, you add it to your fabric softener drawer. You can also use it to soak 3 caps to 2.5 litres of water and soak for 15 minutes. What do I like about this? It's cheap, between kind of £2 and £2.50. I've bought mine from Home Bargains. At the moment I'm buying them from Aldi because they've got lots in store. They also have them in places like B&M. So you can pick up the range. So I'm just going to show you what I've used recently. Dragon flower, that was lovely. These are all empty and I've been keeping them to film this, driving my husband mad. Electrify. And I love the way the packaging is different. Fresh Breeze. And this one is melon sugar. Now what I will say is you have to be really careful around children. Keep this well out of their reach. It doesn't have a child safety cap, so make sure you keep it somewhere up high. It also is very flammable, so it's got a wee warning on the back. So don't be using this to spray your bed in, put down the back of your radiators, clean your sofas or your floors. Use it just in your laundry. That's what it's designed for. I'm just kind of thinking about the case where the lady had been spraying an aerosol down the back of her radiator and it blew out her window basically, and I just thought that's horrifying, and people using softener for things that it shouldn't be used for. So it's exactly the same as this. Just use it as your laundry. It's a nice laundry cleanser. Do you need it? I'm not sure. I really like it, and I actually don't wash all my clothes kind of anything over. I kind of wash most things at 30, so for that reason I'm kind of glad that I've got this. Towels and bedding, as I say, I wash that on a 60, but this just adds a nice little freshness to the load. And actually I tend not to use fabric softener when I'm using this, because this goes in the fabric softener drawer and it comes out at the time that your fabric softener would come out. So no, really recommend it. Just be really careful, make sure it's out of reach of children. So that's a litre, by the way. Out of reach of children, because it doesn't have a safety cap anyway, so make sure it's safe. Don't get in your eyes. You know, it's got lots of chemicals in it. Don't pour it neat down the drain either. Just put it in your washing machine. That's all I'm going to say. Let me know though, have you tried any of these and what do you think? Are you a fan of the Fabulosa range? I love it. I've had loads of products from them, but it kind of took over from, oh, what was was the brand? The disinfectant, Zoflora. Everybody seemed to go mad for Zoflora. And then this came along, and I actually just love the different smells. Although I must admit, I know a lot of people aren't because it reminds them of toilets, but I'm a big fan of pine disinfectant, and I do have a Fabulosa pine disinfectant, and it smells amazing. So I've just kind of stopped at the moment for my lunch break, so I'm going to grab myself a cup of coffee, and I can finally pop these 3 anyway in my clean and empties. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye guys.